Hi, Yuma and Kite. Hi, Shark. What's up? Guys, bad news. Hi. What is it? Let me guess. 1003. Get over here, Thunder Baby. Listen! You need to stop doing this to T-Boat. Oh, you want to fight? Okay then. I'm on fire in my laser. Ew. You know what? I got this. You are nothing but a stalker. Ha, serves him right. Uh-oh. I burped. 2810, please don't. Hey, what do you say? Never mind. Go somewhere your own size. Brrr. Whatever. And I know I will create a potion causing Thunderbolt to love me. Meanwhile, alright, just a little uh-oh, wrong potion. Great. Now the potion will make anybody evil. What have I done? Uh-oh. Even though it's ruined, I hope Thunderbolt will light. I hope Thunderbolt... However, Thunderbolt didn't realize us. Oh, look, something. Oh, no. What's wrong with you? I don't know. I'm back. Oh, no. 1003 must have poisoned Thunderbolt with that evil potion. I'm back from the Wings Club. I'm back. What's going on? I will destroy you. Not on my watch. You will be destroyed. So, we're on fire. Ha ha ha. It's over. Ha ha ha. Sorry, I don't know why this happens, but in order, nerds. I will defeat you. To be continued.